ได้ที่จะบอกอย่าพูดทำได้เลยที่โดนว่าเราไม่ได้เป็นผู้ต้องการอาหาร
โอเคดู Why not? Easy for you to look at. Anyhow, good afternoon, guys. How are you guys doing? Good? Yeah. Alright. Well, okay. Good. So today we're going to be continuing from what we did for the last few weeks and the classes we missed before. The idea is we're going to catch up with the class. And today we're going to look at 2 sessions. The first hour, we'll look at stages of growth as you get older. And the second hour, we're going to look at designing your own leadership plan. Okay? So, why should you listen to me? Why should you be listening to me about these things? What makes me a good person to tell you about stages of growth and personal leadership? Anyone?
Your role in the class as a knowledge giver, so we should listen to you, but also as a technique, we should listen to take the information, but also question it, or also
Okay, good. Yeah, I'm supposed to be a knowledge giver. I'm not too sure how much knowledge I have, but I'll try. More like a facilitator, perhaps. And you have some very intelligent young ladies here. They might be able to help you more than I. Anyone else?
I sure you want developing yourself by go to some discussion on the test or you reading books or newspaper, so we can follow your steps, like your guidance.
Okay. So again, one of the things we have is like if you're listening to someone, trying to get advice from someone, they should set the example for you. So that's one of the things you want. You're not just listening to someone, you're not following someone, but they set an example. So one of the things, you all read the Bangkok Post? We all read the newspaper, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? He's not going to read it. Okay. Alright, so we have 2 students who have read the Bangkok Post, at least 2. Anyhow, so one of the things I did, if you notice, I tell you how to write. I teach you how to write. So therefore, what should I do? I should write. And therefore, and this is how you know how I write and what I do. And if my students will only read it a lot, they would have read the article. Right? So again, last week I had an article in the Bangkok Post talking about critical thinking and stuff. So it's not just me saying how to write and what to write, it's me showing you what to write and how to write. Okay? So that's one thing I would like you all to do. So as he said, it's not just me being a knowledge giver, but also a facilitator and also to question what is given to you. Alright? Okay, talking about that. So, we had a bunch of links in the classroom. Okay? You guys read the links? Watch the videos? Yes or no? No? Yes or no? No? Why not? You know I depend on you. You are very important. You come to read these things and come to class and talk to us. How else would my friend here learn if you don't talk to him? Look at that face. Look at that face. He just wants to learn. Okay, so guys, you guys read the links? Remember to read through the links and we can talk about it. Let's know what you think. Okay? So the idea is, let's know what you think. And the idea is, it's not just the class slides, it's what supports the class slides. It's the class discussion. That's where you start learning. So you're all here to become professionals, and the class is to help you become a professional. What's required? Because when you're at work, when you're in a professional environment, there's no teacher in front of the class. There's no teacher in front of you. You have to observe and learn from those around you. So in a professional environment, you learn from those around you. You learn from the material, the resources you have. So here you have some resources. In the class, you have others around you. You learn from this environment. My role as facilitator, think of the manager. I am sometimes here, sometimes not. You're learning occurs if I'm here or if I'm not. And I want you to get in that habit of always learning. Good. Any questions? Any comments?
For the first thing, I'm really impressed with that because it's talk about like to develop ourselves in order to be like a good employees in the future, like the regular business. We have like the guidance, like the way we need to pay priority to focus on when we are right now undergraduate.
Okay. All right, good. Any comments? You don't have to talk to him, you can talk to the ladies. Help your friend out. Any comments on what she said? No comments? Why not? Very good at you, really. Very good. And yes, and one of the things I want you to think about is our friend here, he is going to take over his family business. He's not going to be working for anyone. He's going to be the boss. Big boss. He's going to...
His name is also boss.
You see, naturally fit. Naturally fit. He is going to be the boss. Because he is the boss. It's natural. He's going to start his own business. So he doesn't care about working with others. He's going to start his own cryptocurrency business, right? Huh? You want to start scamming people? Okay, cryptocurrency business, let's call it that. So he's going to start his own cryptocurrency. So he may not want to be employed. He's going to employ others. So this might help him employ others. What skills he should look for in others. What skills he should look for himself. Because he's going to be an employer. He's going to look for people, to employ people to do things for him. He's going to have those skills, and therefore he's going to say, hey, I have these skills, this is what I can do, could you match? So it's also good for those who want to start their own business. Okay. So, great. You have a lot of links, you have a lot of stuff, and it's not just class material, not just textbooks, newspapers, magazines, industry news, follow it up, keep going with it. All right, anything else? What else? So, you all have your personal plan? You all have your personal development plan? Okay, class 6. So, one of the things we asked all what we've been doing so far in the semester? How is your time management going? That face alone says it. How is your time management going? Your time management is going. You don't know how your time management is going? Anyone else? How is your time management?
The time management is probably simply is to describe with my final exam proceedings. Basically, just use schedules so that it's more flexible. But I think in this